Mixing coffee with vinegar might sound a bit strange at first, but once you witness the effect it creates, you will quickly understand why this combination deserves a permanent place in your cleaning routine. Two everyday ingredients that often go unnoticed in your kitchen can come together to make something surprisingly powerful. Stay tuned until the very end of this video, because that's when I'll show you exactly what this amazing mixture can do. Let's begin. Grab a large bowl and pour in 3 tablespoons of liquid dishwashing soap. It really doesn't matter which brand you choose. Anyone will work perfectly. Let the soap settle across the base of the bowl. Next, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. As the two mix, you'll see how the texture starts to thicken slightly and change consistency. Now, sprinkle in 1 spoonful of salt and stir it in gently until it starts to dissolve. While you're mixing, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Our community loves to see how far these home tips travel. Now comes the star of the recipe, coffee. Add 1 full cup of it to your mixture. You can use freshly brewed coffee if you prefer, or simply reuse the grounds from your morning cup, which makes this method a smart way to recycle and cut down on waste. After that, pour in 1 more cup of clean water, so everything combines easily into a smooth, even liquid. Stir slowly but thoroughly until the texture looks uniform. You might be wondering what this creation is used for, but hold on, the best part is just ahead. When the blend is ready, carefully transfer it into a spray bottle using a funnel to prevent spills. Seal the bottle tightly and shake well to activate all the components. What you've made is not just another homemade cleaner, it's a multi-purpose powerhouse that will make everyday chores easier and quicker. The coffee helps eliminate bad odors while leaving behind a subtle, comforting aroma. If you prefer something different, cinnamon or cloves can be used instead for a cozy, refreshing scent. Now it's time to test it out. Spray the mixture directly on kitchen counters, wooden tables, cupboard doors, or even inside the toilet bowl. Wipe it down with a sponge or cloth and you'll see grime disappear instantly. It's simple, inexpensive, and incredibly efficient. Tell me in the comments what score you would give this cleaning idea from 0 to 10. And since we're already in cleaning mode, here's a quick bonus. Take your toilet brush, which often looks dull and stained, and give it new life. Place it inside the bowl, sprinkle plenty of baking soda over the bristles, and then pour vinegar over it. You'll notice a fizzy reaction as bubbles lift the dirt away. After a short wait, rinse the brush well in clean water, and you'll be amazed at how fresh and spotless it looks. These practical tricks show how simple household items can transform your cleaning routine. Try them yourself, share with friends, and follow for more home tips that make life easier and brighter.